So again, I am going to explain that the concept factors of production, that is land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur. As land is a fixed factor of production, means land is free gift of nature, fixed in fixed factor, it cannot be increased, but it varies from one place to another place with its quality. इसकी क्वालिटी जो है वो एक प्लेस से दूसरी प्लेस में जो है वो डिफरेंट होती है. That is why land vary from place to place, but it is a free gift of nature and every production is possible only on the land. Is it okay? So second factor of production क्या है? That is labor. Labor means a active factor of production which required or which do all the work on the factor of production without human. अब देखो, human के बिना land के ऊपर क्या कुछ हो सकता है अगर labor ना हो? If labor is not there, can land produce agriculture production?
No, ma'am.
No.
Labor is an active factor of production. It is of how many types?
Two types.
Skilled labor, unskilled labor.
Unskilled labor.
Two type are further two type like educated, uneducated, educated, uneducated. क्योंकि हर लेबर जो है वो एक सेक्शन में स्किल हो सकती है, दूसरे सेक्शन में हो सकता है वो ना कर पाए, अपना वो काम जो है अपनी प्रॉपरली से ना कर. So second factor of production is active factor of production. Labor is involved in anywhere. It is also known as human capital. What is the other name of labor? That is human capital.
Capital.
So third is capital. So अगर मैं third capital लिख दूं, capital is again of two types. One is fixed, which we can see. A fan is fixed factor of production. AC is fixed factor of production. Machine is fixed factor of production. हमारे घर के अंदर जो tools पड़े हैं, they all are fixed factor of production.
Working capital is a type of capital which
Can you aside your camera?
or
बेटा जी एक सेकंड परनीत hold.
Yes, ma'am.
Mute yourself, बच्चे. Listen, capital is fixed. Capital is of two types. One is fixed, another is working capital. Fixed
Working
capital
capital.
वो capital है जो कि एक बार खरीदी जाती है, but it retain with the person for number of like tools, technology, machinery, harvester, combiner, tractor. हमारे घर का AC, refrigerator, TV, ये सारे क्या हैं? Fixed factors हैं. हम लोग फैक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन यहाँ ले रहे हैं क्योंकि दे आर हेल्पिंग अस एज अ इंटरमीडिएट प्रोडक्ट्स. हमारे घर पे हम लोग फिक्स फैक्टर ऑफ कंजम्पशन क्या लेंगे? जो हमारा टीवी, लाइट, फैन, एसी, ये सारे क्या है? ये फिक्स फैक्टर ऑफ कंजम्पशन है क्योंकि हमारे घर पे आ गए, हम कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं, हम उनसे कोई प्रोडक्ट बना नहीं रहे, बट दे आर ड्यूरेबल गुड्स, दे आर फिक्स्ड कंज्यूमर गुड्स. ठीक है. सो प्रोडक्शन में क्या है? फिक्स. अगर वही एसी फैक्ट्री में लग जाए तो इट हेल्प्स इन प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस. स्विंग मशीन अगर हमारे घर पे है तो इट इज फॉर सेल्फ कंजम्पशन, स्टिचिंग ऑफ आवर ओन. और अगर वही एक स्विंग मशीन एक टेलर की शॉप पे हो तो दैट इज अ फिक्स्ड फैक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन. मतलब the product is same, the usability is different. If we are using it at home, then it is called capital expenditure. हमने खर्च कर दिया. बट अगर वो कैपिटल किसने की अगली एक टेलर ने ली मशीन, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट, क्योंकि उसने उससे स्टिच करके सूट जो है वो या ड्रेस मटेरियल जो है, कोट पैंट जो है वो मार्केट में सेल करना है. So capital is of two types, fixed and working capital. Working capital कौन सी है? The human beings, raw material, human beings and money in hand. Three types of working capital are there. Number one, human being. ये जो भी अगर हमें ज्यादा चाहिए तो ज्यादा, अगर कम चाहिए तो कम. Second thing is raw material. सूट अगर स्टिचिंग के लिए टेलर के पास ज्यादा आ रहे हैं तो उसको ज्यादा खरीदने पड़ेंगे. ड्रेस मटेरियल अगर उसका ज्यादा जा रहा है ठीक है, मैंने एग्जांपल दी थी, स्केल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग की दी थी, पहले मैंने डस्टर की दी थी। अगर डिमांड ज्यादा आ जाती है तो वी हैव टू इंक्रीज द रॉ प्रोडक्शन फॉर दैट। उसके बाद आ जाती है हमारी money in hand. If we have the capacity to purchase the raw material, definitely then only we can purchase the working capital. Otherwise, it will be not possible for us, isn't it? Fine. So, working capital, fixed capital is a capital which is being invested by the producer for one time and remain with them with a number of years. But if the capital which is being invested by us, हम लोग खर्चते हैं, that investment is known as capital expenditure. But the same investment which is being done, मैंने example भी दे दी, सिलाई machine, if we are purchasing it for home, या washing machine की example ले लो, if we are purchasing washing machine for home, then it is called capital expenditure. हमने पैसा खर्च कर दिया for home consumption. But if the washing machine is purchased by the dry cleaner, and if the sewing machine is purchased by the tailor, then it is known as a capital investment. तो यहाँ पर क्या है? Capital investment. Fine. So say for last जो आता है, that is entrepreneur. Entrepreneur means a person or the owner who managed to make the arrangement of all the factors of production in the proper way to produce the product and to create the new product to earn the profit. Is it okay? Second question is clear to everyone? Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Please mute, bache. Now, third question. What is the third question? Read out third question.
Is it important to increase the area under irrigation? Why?
Yes, yes. आप बताओ, irrigation का मतलब क्या है? सबसे पहले तो irrigation का मतलब पता होना चाहिए. What do you mean by irrigation?
Watering plant.
Watering the
Ma'am,
Plants. To watering the farm areas. Irrigation का मतलब ये नहीं कि तुम अपने पौधे में पानी डाल रहे हो एक गमले में, तो that is irrigation. Irrigation का मतलब क्या है? When you are watering the huge agricultural land according to the time and according to the optimum quantity of that water, that is called सिंचाई. हिंदी में क्या कहा जाता है? सिंचाई करना. ठीक है? Earlier traditional method में कौन से modes थे? That was rainfall, natural rain. But now with the proper construction of canals, construction of wells or underground water bore wells, it helps to provide irrigation to all the sectors or all the areas where even there was no natural rainfall. It leads to increase in the agriculture production. So is it increase the area under irrigation? Yes, it is important to increase the area under irrigation because natural factor of irrigation like rainfall will not be able to produce more crop production on a same piece of land. If they want to go with the more production, then they have to go the increase for irrigation. Number 2. If they want to go with the modern farming method means high yield variety of seeds. That high yield variety of seeds require more water. That fertilizers need more water. So irrigation is being increased, lead to increase more production on a same piece of land by adopting modern farming and even multiple cropping patterns. Is it okay? Now read the fourth question. Kamaljeet, hurry up.
Yes, ma'am.
Hurry up.
Fourth question. Mention 3 characteristics of traditional method of farming.
हाँ जी, ट्रेडिशनल मेथड के 3 फार्मिंग क्या है? अभी एक मैंने बताया, रेनफॉल, नेचुरल रेनफॉल, देन ओल्ड मेथड्स, not using HBY seed and modern farming method, and using bullock carts, natural rainfall, and you can say manure, cow dung and etc. Natural manures, cow dung and etc. ठीक है, and not to use pesticides. These are the traditional methods to grow with crops. Is it okay? हो जाएगा, यानी कि natural manure, cow dung. Number 2, this you can say not utilizing high yield variety of seed and depend upon the rainfall. Next question.
Yes, ma'am. Irreversible. Write the differences between modern farming and multiple cropping methods.
Okay, I had explained it that to you, like modern farming is a broader concept and multiple cropping is a part of a modern farming method, isn't it? Modern farming method requires more inputs which are being used in the industry, like combiner, harvester, tractors. ये सारे भी use होते हैं. Modern farming method, HVY seeds, proper irrigations, proper fertilizers, proper skilled labor is being required to you can say use the tractors, harvester and combiner. अब जिसको combiner चलाना ही नहीं आता होगा, can they use in their land?
No, ma'am.
तो उस point पर labor कौन सी चाहिए उसको? उसको labor कौन सी चाहिए?
Skilled
The
labor.
skilled labor.
Skilled को हम लोग skilled कैसे होना चाहिए? ठीक है, so that is called semi skilled. उसको skilled तो है, skill of driving the combiner is there. ठीक है, और we people are also called semi skilled. अगर मुझे कहा जाए lecture देने का तो I am able to give, but अगर मुझे कहा जाए कि combiner चलाने को, whether I will be able to drive?
No, ma'am.
ठीक है ना, so a person who is skilled in that work is also required in the modern farming. A layman cannot drive that. A layman cannot work over the combiner. So modern farming method require HVYC, which are manufactured in industries, which require more capital. क्योंकि HVYC जो है वो पैसों के साथ इंडस्ट्री में बनेंगे तो उनको खरीदना पड़ेगा, तो they will be costly. So it means we require more capital for purchasing them. ज्यादा पैसा चाहिए उसको परचेज करने के लिए. दूसरी चीज है इरिगेशन प्रॉपर. अगर खेतों में हम HYV सीड लगा रहे हैं तो उनको पानी ज्यादा चाहिए तो प्रॉपर इरिगेशन होनी चाहिए. We cannot depend upon only the natural factor of rainfall. We have to go for the other alternate method. Is it okay? So modern farming method is a broader method, or by using modern farming method, a person can grow more than 2 crops on the same piece of land, like Rabi, Kharif and Zaid. So multiple cropping is also a, you can say, part of a modern farming. Is it okay? Now next question, hurry up.
Yes, ma'am. What are the different ways of increasing production on the same piece of land?
What are the different ways to increase this production? All these things, again, these points will be there by using modern farming method and by using multiple cropping method. Is it okay? You can write. मैंने answer की बना के इसलिए keywords में दिए हैं so that you can expand that in the proper way. Next question.
What do you understand by green revolution? Give its importance and
Green revolution
limitations.
means growing more production on a same piece of land by using modern farming method. This is being achieved in major 3 states in India. Number 1, Punjab. Number 2, Haryana. Number 3, Western UP. And this was being achieved in 1966. लेकिन इसका नुकसान क्या, फायदे क्या हुए? More production, excessive production. ठीक है, उसके बाद सेकंड मुनाफा क्या हुआ? लेबर पीपल बिकमिंग मोर प्रॉस्परस, वी वर एबल टू एक्सपोर्ट मोर. ठीक है, बट इसका नुकसान क्या हुआ? रीजनल इम्बैलेंस आ गया. इसका नुकसान क्या होगा? रिच पीपल और नेचुरल नुकसान क्या हुआ? लैंड वाज गेटिंग डिग्रेडेड. The natural bacteria of the soil cannot be retained because of the chemical fertilizers. Because of the overuse
water
of
pollution.
pesticides. हाँ जी पुत्र.
Water pollution. Ma'am, water pollution and land pollution.
हाँ, water pollution भी हो गया, उसके कारण हमारा environment pollution भी होना start हो गया. So all these factors you have to write. ठीक है, next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Hurry up.
Why do modern farming methods require more capital?
हाँ जी, इसका आंसर तुम लोग दे सकते हो. Why modern farming method require more capital? Because HYV
Yes, ma'am.
seeds produced in industry, So they are costly because combiners are produced in industry, they require capital. Because pesticides are produced in industry, they require capital. Tractors, all the
Pesticides and
equipments, even borewell to dig, to get the water from the underground level. So that also require more capital. अगर borewell होगा तभी वाटर इरिगेशन कर सकेंगे. दूसरी चीज, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी गांव में होगी तभी बोरेवेल होंगे, और बोरेवेल होंगे
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
कंस्ट्रक्शन बढ़ेगी, कंस्ट्रक्शन होगी तो कैपिटल बढ़ेगी. सो एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर रिक्वायर मोर कैपिटल्स. यस, मॉडर्न फार्मिंग मेथड रिक्वायर मोर कैपिटल बिकॉज ऑल द फैक्टर्स which are being used in the modern farming method are prepared in the industries and they are expensive. So rich people can afford but poor people cannot afford. And demerit इसका already बता चुकी हूँ. The gap between rich society and poor society are becoming widened. Regional balance, imbalance is also being created. Natural fertility is also losing down. Soil fertility is also losing down, and underground water is also started depleting. Is it okay? Next
Yes, ma'am.
point. Next question.
Yes, ma'am. What are the major disadvantages associated with HYV seeds? Explain.
हाँ जी, disadvantages क्या हैं? HYV seeds के कर सकते हैं. All
Yes,
these
ma'am.
are made required high water, मतलब more irrigation. So
Yes,
more
ma'am.
irrigation using underground water going to deplete it. अपने आंसर को खुद ही create करो. How you can create? ठीक
Ma'am, more
है?
use of chemical fertilizer.
हाँ, try करिए. Very good. Next question.
What is meant by non-farm activities? Give example.
Okay. Yes, Noor. You tell. What are non-farm activities?
Non-farm activities are dairy farming, small-scale manufacturing, small shops, and transportation.
And transportation. Okay. Like मैंने कल बहुत सारे एग्जांपल दी थी, मिश्री लाल की एग्जांपल दी थी, करीम की एग्जांपल दी थी. So they had purchased sugar crushing machine and made the jaggery, and that jaggery is being transported by the Mishri Lal. Oh, sorry, that second person who has purchased the buffalo and making the bullock cart after in that buffalo, and then he was transporting that jaggery to the Raiganj and Shahpur. So these kinds of activities are associated in the rural area along with the agriculture production sector. Is it okay? I hope
Yes,
this
ma'am.
chapter is totally clear to everyone. If you face any difficulty and doubt, you can ask questions to me. Fine. Now look over the assignment what I had shared with you. If you have any doubt, please get it clear from me now. And tomorrow you have to take your history book along with you, and we will be going to start our chapter, that is the French Revolution.